What is your team's name?
Come on. Ninja.
Ninja Queens. Okay. Chinky, come forward. Yeah. This way. Mani Mangala,
मंजू बीच में जाओ. बीच में जाओ.
Padma, Pooja. Cozy ji, you can come here. श्रीविद्या जी,
मंजू बीच में खड़ी हो.
श्वेता, वैष्णवी, come on guys, give them a huge round of applause. Come on. Well done. The last but not the least, Captain Himanshu. Himanshu is Pankaj's wife. See the smile on his face. Oh, I would request Dr. Stacy, please come forward for the awards. Thank you. Monica, Nidhi, Nilakshi, anytime. Renu ji, Saujanya, Vaishali, yeah, anytime. Meera,
बोल दो ना आपकी भाई में बाहर है
and Captain Rohini. Rohini. Valuable player, women cricket team. Another award goes to her. Thank you, Dr. Stacy. Thank you so much. Cricketed Umpire Award goes to Satwik. Forward.
स्वप्निल उसको यकीन ही नहीं है यार
Wait. Umpire Award goes to Mr. Ravi. Mr. Ravi, thank you. Is the toughest job in cricket, staying over there for 90 minutes. Obviously, it's my team. It goes to Midland Mavericks. Mavericks deserve this. No.
We are there since yesterday.
Captain of Midland Mavericks, Hasmukh Bhai, thank you. Cleveland Lands, Captain, come forward. Thank you so much. You guys have taught us a lot of things. And highest individual score goes to Nishan. 82 runs. No doubt. Good job, buddy. Good job. Great performance. Golden Arm Award. This always goes to Shiva. Great bowler. Okay, last time we took it. अपने लिए. Hasan bhai took it last time. My bad. I'm sorry. 9 wickets. Good job, Shiva. And Sixer King. Guess who? So he will sign IPL. Most improved player. Okay, so we have two things here. I would like to mention one of the improved person or a guy or a player from the team, Vaidu team. But there is another competitor as well. So Aryan, this award goes to Aryan. Good job, Aryan. So Vaidu is playing leather ball cricket as well, right? And the best wicket keeper goes to Mr. Raja. He's not there. Yeah, Vasant sir, could you please come forward and take this award? And then best fielder, Mr. Rahul from Midland Kings. Is he here? Anybody from Midland Kings? Okay. Good job. Good job. Good job. Alright, thank you so much. Cricket, this is the most important award. It goes to best batsman and the award winner is Nishan again. Good job. Nishan, would you please? Goes to Nishan again, 142 runs. Well done. Cleveland Lions taking everything from us. This is unique award and we really appreciate that player. He always come forward and show his skills. Most valuable player goes to Siva. Mid-Michigan Indians. Thank you, Dr. Shashi. Okay, so now runner-ups trophies and it goes to Mid-Michigan Indians. Congratulations, guys. Good fight. Good. Ravi, sir. The energy level is Mani sir. Sheesh, the most energetic guy on the field.
Get a picture. Go, stand. Yes.
Come on, Ashish. Vasant sir. Stephen. Mid-Michigan Indians, congratulations. Thank you, Stephen sir. Tinu. What a bowler. First time. Good job, buddy. Mr. Ram. Vedant. Vaidu. Big ball. Vaidi sir. Tamil ji. You are unbelievable. Thank you so much. Good job, Karthik. Good job. Indians, congratulations and hard luck. It goes to Cleveland Lions. Congratulations, buddy. Nice job. Great work. Unbelievable batting. My goodness. We have seen your sixers. Oh God. We have big target next year. Nalinda. Pradeep. Selina. Ifti. Bhagya.
Yay!
Asiri. Madhva. Nalinda with the Nirosh. Peminda. Shamira. No one, buddy. Okay, Nuwan, would you like to say something?
So, first of all, I would like to thank Northwood University and all the organizers. You have done a wonderful job, and it was a great tournament for us. And then all the supporting staff, actually, scorers and the umpires. They have done a really good job, fair job. You gave, 2 awards, but I would, say there was another umpire. He was really fair and did a really good job. He was Savrov, I guess. You're right. I don't know why he was off. And then 20%. Okay. I don't know. But second, I would like to thank all the teams who participated. All the teams were really tough teams, right? You did a really, tough targets for us, but it was our day. But you have done a really tremendous good job, and especially, Mid-Indian Michigans, both the matches that we played, those matches were really tough, and you did a really good job, right? And you had a really good batters as well as good bowlers. It was a good thing, and it was a really tough work for us. Then finally, little bit about my team. So I think I had the best openers of the tournament. I think there is no doubt, right?
Yeah,
And
that's true.
one of the guy who got several awards, but the other guy, Nalinda Almeida, he was like great wall for us. He was there when everyone was failing. He was there, keeping everyone in the other side. So he is the, great wall for us during the every match. And so, every team after I think 1 to 2 matches, they tried to, get those 2 wickets. And then you know what happens, right? We had a really good team. When they fail, my top order and the middle order did a really good job. It was a teamwork, perfect teamwork, right? And even during the bowling, when someone fails, the other guys did a really good job. And during the field, I think that you did a really good job. And I had 13 players with me. So 2 of them, one was with the scorer, and other one was outside the ground, and they did a really good job. Every time when we need water, the water is there. And whenever we have a break, the scorer coming from they are to hear and tell us this is the target, this is what you should do. So it's a really good teamwork. And during the bowling, I would say it was a really tough decisions for us to take which bowler should bowl next, right? And I got 1 award for the best bowler. It is Madhava, but he got only one, I mean, innings to bowl. You can see how much it is difficult for me to, and as a team, how much it is difficult for us to, I mean, choose who is bowling next. But every time you did a really good job. So it is, I mean, finally really good, I mean, teamwork. So we'll continue. This is our first tournament this year. So we'll continue. This is our just the beginning. Okay. Thank you very much. And I would say one thing about that little guy. He did a really. I mean, he was the greatest supporter. I can't remember his name. Man, you did a really good job, right? You are a really. I mean, my kid is also in the same age, I guess, but he doesn't like very much on cricket. But you are a really. Huh?
You should show his video, you know.
Okay. Yeah. He's a really good guy. And finally, I would like to thank. I mean, you guys are really. I mean, flexible. Every time when we ask something, you try to deliver, right? So thank you very much. I mean, I can't remember your name. Sorry. Swapnil, you did a really good job. And I think most of the time, I mean, you are alone, and sometimes you work every day. I mean, you go there and come here, and every time. So as a team, you guys did a really good job. So thank you very much. So hope we'll come in the. I mean, during the next year. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you, buddy. Do you really want to call them again?
No!
Thank you, Noan. He's making us emotional right now. Anyway, Dr. Stacy and the whole team now come. It's a winning trophy. Goes to Cleveland Lions. Guys, come on! Come! Come on, give them a huge round of applause. Come on, guys, come on. Good job, buddy, good job. Okay, team, can you come forward, please? We need one photo. Dr. Stacy and Mike, Krishna, one photo with them. Yeah.